59 divided by 4. Here 4 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 4. 4 times 0, 0, 4 times 1, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 4 times 3, 12. To find out the multiplication table of 4, just add 4 with the previous step. 0 plus 4, 4, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 4, 16. This process will continue. 4 goes into 5 how many times? 2 times 8, so 1 time. 1 time 4, 4, subtract 1, bring down the next digit, 19. 4 goes into 19 how many times? 5 times 20, which is greater, so 4 times. 4 times 4, 16. If you subtract, you are getting 3. So our answer is 14 remainder 3. But if you want to write your answer in decimal form, then take here decimal point, add number of zeros, bring down the first 0. But before the 0 there is a decimal must come to the quotient directly. 4 goes into 30 how many times? Look, 8 times 32, which is greater, so 7 times. 7 times 4, 28. Subtract 2. Bring down the next digit, 0. 4 goes into 20 how many times? 5 times. 5 times 4, 20. Subtract 0. So our answer is 14.75.